and welcome back to Random Stuff. So, yesterday I went to Shopwise. I live in the Philippines, Shopwise. That's a supermarket, Shopwise. Shopwise. So, I bought some slime in the Shopwise. There are many kind of slime there. There are many colors like red, blue, have even indigo, have green, have violet, have purple, have all kinds of color, even brown, even gold. So yeah, in the Shopwise, and there is a bottle like that. It's 50 pesos, and I bought like this. It's 60 pesos. Oh no. No. The big one like that is 100, and like that I bought 60. I know it's expensive, but it's actually nice. So let's just go with the squishy part, and I will show you. I bought two squishies, the 60 pesos one like that. I did not buy like that because it's too expensive. So I buy two colors, yellow, one yellow and another yellow, two yellow. So yeah. So if you're thinking why the slime is little, because when I touch the squishy, I mean slime. When I like that the slime, I roll it, I play with it, it becomes it shrink. So let's stop talking and I will show you. So here's my slime. So when I bought it, it was here, and it was here. But when I play with it, stretch it, squeeze it, it become here. So this is the slime. This is the first slime. It's like a water bottle. I can't understand what it's saying. This is color yellow. Why it is red if it's yellow? And next is this. This is more plenty than this because this slime I used it often. This I only sometimes use. So it become, when I bought it, it was here. When I use it, stretch it and everything, it shrink. By the way, I'm not gonna make any videos, only sometimes, because I am too busy, you know. You thought I'm not busy, but I am busy actually. By the way, I'm gonna show you the first slime. Let's open it. So there's no creatures here, but I did put something, a bunny sticker, because when I was in school, I put stickers in my notebook and it fallen out. So I put it in the slime. Because it doesn't stick anymore, so I put it in the slime. This is actually light yellow. This is dark yellow. You can't actually see it in the camera, but you can see it in real. Yep, this is light yellow and this yellow. The camera color is not showing the real color, but you can a little bit see it. So this is taking a long time. I talk too much, you know. Sometimes not. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna put the slime in that table. Hope you can see it. My camera angle. There we go. It's like a, oh my gosh, it's like a, from your nose. Ew, it's like like a flame. I'm gonna squeeze my nose. It's like a ewy, but it's stretch well good. Yeah. Ew. But I don't like yellow color because it's like yeah. Oh my god, I can feel my sticker. The sticker in my notebook has fallen out. Let's try the light yellow. So here's my slime. I'm gonna find my sticker. Oh, can you see it, guys? The sticker. The bunny sticker. Let's remove it from the slime. Here's my sticker from my notebook. So, yeah. So, I'm back. So, sorry about that. My mom called me. So, let's start. So, here's my oh my god. This is so squishy. Squishy. It's like wow. So here's my bunny. My bunny. My bunny is there, stuck on the slime. So here's my bunny. Let's go to the next slime. The second slime, the dark yellow. Please, magic trick, help me open this. Remove the slime. Please, magic. Thank you, magic, for helping me open this slimy gooey slime. So I didn't put any creatures here or sticker or anything. Oh my god, this is so wiggly. Omeggly. Cross signs. When it's flat, it's nice to poke. But when it's not flat, it doesn't poke. Let's try when it's flat. Let's wait. Magic trick. Wish we could turn back time. Magic trick. Please help me flatten this slime. Fact number 1. Fuck. Sorry. It's not a bad word. Fact. Fact number 1. Did you know that this is a real slime? I saw YouTube videos, slime. The fluffy slime is not a real slime. You know why? Because the real slime is watery. This is watery. The real slime is gooey, wet, and wiggly. Not the fluffy slime. What? Fake slime. The fake slime is the fluffy slime. The real slime is the wet slime. Now you know. I'm telling the truth. And I'm not lying. Because I never lie. And telling a lie is a bad. So, it's not a real slime. Not trying to be mean, but I'm just saying that it's not a real slime. I know that you're just making a slime, but I'm just telling you that it's not a real slime. I'm just telling, okay? Not trying to be mean. Okay, it's flat. Oh yay, let's try it. This is the real slime. Oh my god. So next time I'm going to be buying six different kinds of slime, like red, indigo, blue. I just like slime. It's my hobby of doing like that. No, it's my hobby to stretch and just like that, poking. You can actually poke this. So this is the nicest slime in the whole world. I did not know that it will fall. That's okay. It's never will be dirty. Because it's never will be dirty. Sorry. Wish me luck. Wish me luck? I haven't done anything. So, I'm gonna keep this slime. And this is hard to keep because it has fart noises. Want to hear? Wait. Oh my god, it just farted. Listen, guys. You know, it just farted. Yeah, I don't care. So, yeah, that's my slime. And this is a cute container. So, shout out to Arabel Mira, my classmate. I don't know, I just want to shout out. Shout out Arabel Mira! And go to my classmate's channel. Her name is Andriana and her channel name is Andres. Her short name is Andre. So go to her channel, Andres Everything Things Love. Andres Everything Things Love. So that's all for today. Yeah. Sorry the video is too long because it's nice to make long videos. Nice to make long, but so hope you like this video. Put a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below on what you want me to do, like activities or challenges. Yeah. And I will be doing that every Sunday. If you comment down below some challenges or activities, I will be doing that every Sunday. Yeah. And follow me in Twitter. No need to follow me. I don't like. Sorry. Okay, so yeah. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. Like this video. Bye.